puppy. He's a big dog. Man. He was really wanting his belly rubbed. Wow, that's a good dog. He's good looking too. Is that on your route? Does that dog have a dog tag or anything?
No, in Scott City, the corner house, they have taught the dogs all the time. My first time doing that stop, made sure I let the dog sniff me and get along with the dogs. But my other truck, I would carry a stick with me. Well, there's a fat dude. First of all, I didn't know he lived on that corner. My first time doing the route, he was wearing no shirt, dancing to his music, enjoying himself. That's fine. Holy crap. Sorry, this guy was getting mad because the guy was in a passing lane, and the way he was acting was stupid. He was swerving his vehicle, he got behind the semi in the slow lane, and